Hello, everybody. This is a video that shows you how to complete the Gizmo's Crumple zones. Let's see if I remember um how to do some of this stuff because it's been a while since I've used this video software, but it seems to be all right. All right, let's see. Directions: follow the instructions to go through the simulation, respond to the questions and prompts in orange boxes. Some of the vocabulary that we're going to be using is acceleration, airbag, collision avoidance system, crash test dummy, crumple zone, force, Newton's laws of motion, safety cell, and seatbelt. So this is pretty much prior knowledge. So you can this is not a right or wrong answer. Um, So you can just answer those questions, or you should be able to answer those questions without any problem. Now, Gizmo's warm up. When cars were first invented, the safety of passengers was not a great concern. As vehicles grew larger and faster, accidents became more deadly. Safety features went from being a rare luxury to a legal requirement. In the crumple zones, Gizmo, you will design cars that will help a crash test dummy survive a collision. To begin, do not make any changes to the design tab of the Gizmo. Select the crash test tab. All right, so crash test, and click play. After the crash, click slow mo replay. What happens? Okay, so let's see. Whoa. All right, slow mo replay. Okay, so all right, slow mo replay. Okay, there you go. So then, just explain here what happens, right? Um, select the results. Select the results tab of the crash. Do you think a passenger would have survived this car crash? Explain. Well, it says likelihood of survival 0%, right? Impact velocity 16 meters per second. Crumple zone deformation 0.19 meters. Safety cell deformation 0.19 meters. Dummy displacement. This is the dummy displacement is how much, what is the distance that it moves. Maximum car acceleration 343.1 meters per second squared. That's really fast. Um, let's see. So the crumple zone deformed 21%, safety cell deformed 9%. Dummy hit steering wheel, death by trauma to head and torso. So as you can see, there is no airbag on this thing. So there you go. All right, let's see. So activity A. Modern vehicles contain features designed to keep passengers safe in a crash. The crumple zone is the front of the car, slows the car gradually, and increases stopping time. The safety cell is a rigid cage that prevents passengers from being crushed. Inside, seat belts and airbags prevent the driver from hitting the windshield, steering wheel, or dashboard. Okay, so the crumple zone is pretty much gradually slows the car gradually and increases stopping time. Safety cell, a rigid cage that prevents passengers from being crushed, and the seat belt and airbags. We are very familiar with these two. How does crumple zone help protect the passenger? All right, make a hypothesis on the design tab. Let's go to the design tab. Okay, or actually, let's go ahead and click on reset on crash test. Let's click on reset, and then on the design tab, let's see the sedan. There you go, the sedan. Look at the parameters you can control. What settings do you think will make the safest car? Set up the gizmo